Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial of Pabbly Connect. In this tutorial, we will be integrating Calendly, which is an appointment booking plugin, with Kirim email. Kirim means send in Indonesian, so it is equivalent to send email. Okay, so we will be booking an appointment using Calendly, and whenever any new successful booking happens, the lead data or the customer who actually booked the appointment will be instantly transferred over to Kirim email in the Pabbly list, which is created inside the platform. Okay, so I will be using Pabbly Connect for the whole integration because it's an integration software which can bind multiple applications together through a single common interface. So the very first thing that we are going to do is we are just going to click on create new workflow, and I'm just going to write Calendly to Kirim email. Okay, so this is the name of my workflow, and the very first thing that I have to do is I just have to choose Calendly from the list of triggers which is available right here. And the webhook which we really want to receive is the invitee created. So this will be the webhook or the method through which we will be receiving data through Calendly. After this, I will just click on connect with Calendly button right here. It is asking us for the API key. So I will just move to the Calendly account right here. I will just click on integrations. I will just copy this key and I will just paste the key right here inside my Calendly credentials. As soon as I do that, I will just click on save, and you can see you are getting a webhook URL which needs to be pasted inside Calendly. Okay, now everything is automated inside Pabbly Connect. So you can just click on save, and you can just click on send test request. As soon as you do that, and a webhook is automatically added to Calendly, and now you can just start to listen for any webhook event that happens inside Calendly. Okay, so this means we are actually looking for any event that happens inside Calendly, and the event is going to be invitee created. Okay, so I'm just going to listen for any new invitee that is created inside Calendly from now on. Okay, so I'm heading back to Calendly now, and I'm just going to open one of the meeting links which I can actually schedule. I'm just going to choose a date as 12th, 9:30 a.m. and I'm just going to confirm this appointment. The person who is confirming this appointment is Neeraj Agrawal, and his email address is neeraga@gmail.com. In fact, I will just add a dot here. This is my first appointment through Calendly. Okay, and I'm just going to click on schedule event. As soon as you do that, you move back to Pabbly Connect, and you will see it automatically captured all the data right here inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, the data that we are really interested in is the invitee name, which is the first name and last name of the person, and we are also interested in the email of this person, which is nee.raga@gmail.com. Okay, so we are actually interested in two different things which we will be pushing inside Kirim email. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this plus button right here, and this is the action step that you really want to do. Whatever you want to do after you receive an data from Calendly, you can do that. So in this specific case, I'm just going to select Kirim email, and I'm just going to add a new subscriber. Okay, and you can just click on connect button right here. Okay, it is asking us for two different things. One is the username and another is the REST API key. So we can actually find the username by going to this specific page. The username is right here, so I'm just going to copy it and I'm just going to paste the username right here. And next is the REST API token. So I'm just going to click on REST API token view token button right here, and I'll just copy this token code right here, and I will just paste the token code right here. Okay, as soon as I do that, I'll just click on save, and what it will do is it will automatically fetch all the list in my account. As you can see, it automatically fetched all the list in my account. So if you go back to Kirim email, and if you see the list, you will see that Pabbly list is there, school point users, schools, and test 7. There are 4 lists. It automatically pulled the list from my Kirim email account. In this specific case, I'm just going to add some subscriber to a Pabbly list. So I'm just going to select that. This is the full name, and this is a required field, which means we actually can enter a full name for this person. We have already received full name from Calendly webhook above. So I'm just going to map those fields. So I'm just mapping the full name. I'm mapping the email address of this person. So I'm just going to map the email address. If you want to add some tag, for example, customer, comma, lead. So if you really want to add multiple tag, you can add those kind of tags to this specific person. Apart from that, Pabbly Connect automatically pulled down all the custom fields data automatically. For example, in this case, the city and the country is something which is already created inside the subscriber field. So you can see the subscriber fields, custom fields, and the city and country is the two subscriber fields, and Pabbly Connect automatically pulled those two fields for you. If you want, you can dynamically map these fields. If you don't have dynamic data, you can still paste some kind of data right here from your end, because I think I can just paste in some data just to show you the integration. I'm just going to write the city name as Delhi and the country name as India. After everything looks good, I'm just going to save it and I'm just going to send a test request. And you can see it says 200 success, which means this specific person, currently you can see there are just 0 active subscriber. I'm just going to reload this page. And you can see now it has 1 active subscriber. I'll just click on subscriber button right here. And you can see the full name of this person is right here. The email address is right here and subscribed status is right here. If you click on detail, you will also find some additional fields. You can see the tags which are applied right here, which is customer and lead. And you can see additional field, which is the city name and the country name, which is also applied automatically to this specific subscriber. This means everything is working fine. And because everything is working fine, we can just save this integration. Okay. So you can see that the integration is saved. Now, whenever any new data comes over to Calendly, it will be instantly added to Kirim email in real time. So because everything looks good, even now you can actually close down the Pabbly Connect window. Now everything will work automatically in future. Okay, let me just try and do the very same thing again. I'm just going back to Calendly and I'm just going to fill this 15-minute link all over again. This time I'm just going to select the date as 13th. I'm selecting the time as 10 a.m. I'm confirming the appointment. And this time I'm just entering another name, which actually happens to be of my co-founders. So this is another appointment. Okay, so I'm just filling out all the details and I'm just going to click on schedule event right here. As soon as I do that, if I go back to Kirim email, I'll just reload this page. Currently the active subscriber is 1. And you can see the active subscriber is 2 now. You can just click on subscribers again. And you can see the full name is right here. The email address is right here. And if you click on detail, you will find the tag is automatically applied and the additional fields are also applied to this specific user. So I do hope that you will understand this whole tutorial for the integration between Calendly and Kirim email. Just in case if you have any question, you can reach out to my team at admin@pabbly.com. Thank you for watching this video.